Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about ways to add more fruits and vegetables into your diet, and we're focusing today on desserts. Yum! How about instead of making an overly sweet dessert like a cake or a pie or cookies or something like that, just enjoy a piece of fresh fruit for dessert. When your taste buds get used to not having overly sweet foods like heavily sweetened pies and cakes, a piece of fruit will actually be very refreshing to you and satisfying. So try that. You could also puree fresh fruit and use it as a dressing over another type of dessert. If you're still into the cakes, you could do that. Put it on ice cream or put it on pudding as well. How about including fruit pieces or a 100% fruit puree that you make into desserts like parfaits or puddings? You could also stew or poach pears with maybe a little bit of sweetener, honey or maple syrup, something like that. You could spice it up a bit with some ginger, cinnamon cloves, or maybe some star anise, and have a very elegant dessert out of that. Have you ever tried banana nice cream? All this is a frozen peeled banana that you blend up, period. Just eat it like that. It tastes like an ice cream. You could also dress that up if you want. You could add a little bit of vanilla extract to it and stop there, or you could add a little bit of vanilla extract and a little cocoa powder, or leave the vanilla out and just use cocoa powder in there. You could blend it with another fruit. You can sweeten it if you want. I personally find that it's good just like it is and doesn't need to be sweetened. You could top it with chopped nuts, dried coconut, chocolate chips, another fruit puree that you have on hand, and it makes a delicious dessert in no time. For a refreshing dessert on a hot summer day, you can take some 100% fruit puree that you've made up, add it to your favorite yogurt, pour that into a popsicle mold and freeze it. And then when it's frozen, take it out and you've got a homemade popsicle that's really good. You can make a parfait by layering either yogurt or your own pudding with a fruit puree and some chopped fresh fruit and maybe even some granola in there, and just make layers of that, and you've got a nice dessert that way. You could also just take your favorite pudding and top it with a 100% fruit puree that you've made, unsweetened hopefully, and maybe add some small chunks of fresh fruit in there as well. How about making a refreshing, really easy fruit salad? You can take whatever kind of fruit together, cut it up into bite-sized pieces, mix it up. Throw in there some pineapple tidbits with the juice, and that is your dressing right there. Mix that up. You could sprinkle it with a little bit of unsweetened dried coconut, and you've got a really neat ambrosia type of dessert that way that's 100% natural. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas on ways to work more fruits and vegetables into your day, especially with your desserts. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.